brown rice with keema and peas. So let's begin. So I have here half a kg of lamb mince. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 onion. So I'm just going to cook this on a high heat until the mince becomes brown. So I have here 2 cups of Basmati rice, which I am going to just leave to soak until the mince is ready. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic. So I'm added 100 grams of peas, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, a teaspoon of whole cumin. Just going to mix this up. I'm going to now add 4 cups of water, a tablespoon of garam masala. So I'm going to now just allow this to come to the boil before I put the rice in. This is now boiling. I'm going to now add my drained rice. So I'm just going to cook this on full heat until the water has half dried. Now, as you can see, there is still some water here, so I'm going to now lower the heat and I'm going to steam this for 10 to 15 minutes. This is now ready. I'm going to now turn the heat off. So here is our keema matar palau. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.